Hey tea lovers, this is Carly with Full Leaf Tea Company in Southern Oregon. You're going to have to deal with my voice this week, unfortunately, because I've been very sick and I'm just getting my voice back. But I thought this would be a great week to have our tea of the week be Organic Throat Clarity, which is what I have been drinking nonstop for the past week while I've been sick. If you're new to Tea of the Week, this is a series that we just debuted last week where we will be choosing one of our special wellness teas and going into details about what ingredients in it do what and giving you a recipe to make with that specific tea. So this week we are talking about Organic Throat Clarity, which is a tea designed to soothe sore throats and just make you feel better overall. Let's go into some of the ingredients and what they do. First up is chamomile. Chamomile has naturally soothing properties that calm the throat. It also relieves pain and kills off bacteria to help you feel better faster. Next up is peppermint. Along with being a great herb with excellent flavor and numerous health benefits, including digestive and respiratory health, this is a great herb to help soothe sore throats with a refreshing aroma and flavor in this blend. Ginger root is up next. Ginger root helps alleviate pain from sore throats and helps the body fight infection. It also gives this blend a really warm and cozy taste and goes great with the cinnamon that I'm going to use in our recipe. And the last ingredient is cloves. Cloves are a natural anesthetic and help reduce inflammation. In addition, they have a wonderful soothing and cozy aroma. Okay, now that we've talked about the ingredients that make throat clarity work, let's talk about our recipe. I was drinking this tea a lot when I was sick, and I got bored of drinking it plain, so I created this delicious, cozy latte recipe that kept me feeling warm from the inside out, while soothing my sore throat and making me feel better overall. The full recipe will be linked below as per usual, but let's go through a quick tutorial so you can see how I made this. So what we're making today is a tea latte. And for tea lattes, I like to make the tea part very strong and concentrated with a lot of tea leaves and just a little bit of water. So I'm going to use 4 teaspoons of our Throat Clarity tea leaves with only about 4 ounces of nearly boiling temperature water. Since we're adding milk, it's going to be doled down a lot, and I brew this for 8 to 10 minutes instead of the recommended 5 to 7 because of how strong I want the tea to taste in my latte. I'm going to use about a cup of oat milk that I heated in the microwave, but of course you can use whatever milk you'd like, and I'm going to add honey to taste. I used about a teaspoon and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm going to use one of our little frothers that we sell, but you can totally just use a whisk or a fork to get this all nice and frothy to get ready to put it in our latte. I like to do this because the honey can sometimes clump at the bottom, so it's important to make sure this is really well mixed and ready to go in with our tea. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm just going to fill my mug half with tea and half with our frothed milk to make my latte, and top with a little cinnamon on top to make it extra delicious. I hope you enjoy this and that it helps your sore throat if you give this one a try too. I hope you enjoyed this Tea of the Week video and that you learned something. If you want to tune in for future ones, make sure you subscribe to Full Leaf Tea on YouTube and check out our website fullleafteacompany.com to check out more of our products, our current sales, and everything else we've got going on. See you next week. Bye!